Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Income Stress Test Calculator for market downturns, and how investors can estimate whether their dividend income may still cover expenses during difficult market conditions. First, this calculator helps you test how strong your dividend income is if the market goes down or if companies reduce dividend payments. In simple words, it shows whether your income can survive a downturn or whether there may be a shortfall that needs to be planned for. To begin, you need to know your current portfolio value. This is the total amount invested in dividend stocks, funds, or income assets. For example, if your current portfolio is $300,000, this becomes the starting point for the stress test. Next, you need to calculate your current annual dividend income. If the portfolio value is $300,000 and the current dividend yield is 4%, then the annual dividend income is $12,000. After that, you apply a stress assumption. For example, if you assume dividends are cut by 20%, then the stressed dividend income becomes current dividend income multiplied by 1 minus the dividend cut percentage. So, $12,000 multiplied by 80% equals $9,600. This means that after a 20% dividend cut, the portfolio may produce about $9,600 in annual dividend income. Then, compare this stressed dividend income with the annual expenses you need to cover. In this example, annual expenses are $10,000. So, the coverage ratio is $9,600 divided by $10,000, which equals 96%. As a result, the income is almost enough, but there is still a gap. The income gap equals annual expenses minus stressed dividend income. So, $10,000 minus $9,600 equals $400 per year. Next, convert the numbers into a monthly view. $9,600 divided by 12 equals about $800 per month, while $10,000 of annual expenses divided by 12 equals about $833 per month. Therefore, the monthly shortfall is about $33. This quick monthly check makes the pressure easier to understand because it shows the real income gap during a downturn. However, the result can change depending on several factors. Larger dividend cuts reduce stressed income, higher expenses weaken coverage, and price drops can lower the account value even if income continues. On the other hand, a higher starting yield may provide more cushion, while reinvested dividends, emergency cash, and other income sources can improve resilience during market downturns. In addition, investors can test different scenarios, such as 10%, 20%, and 30% dividend cuts. This helps compare mild, moderate, and severe downturn situations before they happen. Also, it is useful to track essential expenses separately from optional spending. This makes it easier to protect important bills first and reduce flexible spending if income becomes weaker. Finally, focus on dividend safety, diversify across sectors and dividend sources, and build a cash buffer for downturn periods. Remember, this is an educational example only, not financial advice, and dividend income, yields, market values, taxes, and company payouts can change during downturns. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.